We're on the Tip Masters PDF and we're in a new area, section 18, which is the tangent line position. We need to study the tangent line of each object ball before shooting. For drill number 1 in this layout, we're on the 6 ball and we need to send the cue ball down to table for shape on the 7 ball. If we look at the tangent line, we can see that if we will send the cue ball toward the 3rd diamond, which is labeled A on this side rail, which should work. Players who aren't aware of the tangent line may use too much draw sending the cue ball toward the corner pocket labeled B. Alright everyone, I'll shoot the 6 ball maybe about 3 times. I will not shoot any other balls and we'll make sure we're on the tangent line. Alright everyone, let's sticker this up and get to it.